Hey y'all, welcome to Pink Pizzazz Boutique. Today we are going to be finishing a dress I started. I just have to do the bottom, like hem the bottom. I've already pretty much completed the dress, so we're gonna hem the bottom of the dress. Okay, so yeah, that's the dress. I also made a mask to go with that dress. And I also made a headband. Okay, so yeah. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. Okay, y'all, we are done. And this is a dress with a tail. And we just needed to hem the bottom. And we are done with that. And yeah, that's our dress. I'm going to try it on with the mask and the headband. So yeah, that is it. Okay. So thanks for joining me on another video. And until next time, bye.